In this video, we summarize the ROCm tools section. In this unit, we have explored the various tools provided by ROCm and their applications. Firstly, we learned about ROCm Info and CL Info and how to utilize them effectively. Then we learned about ROCm SMI and its usage in measuring performance of applications. The next section focused on ROCgDB and its debugging capabilities within the ROCm environment. We have also explored the use of ROC Profiler and ROC Tracer, discussing their functionality and how they can be utilized in performance analysis and optimization. In the next section, we have discussed the Heapify toolset, which allows the conversion of CUDA code to heap code. Finally, we have introduced the use of ROCm with Docker for efficient and streamlined deployment of applications. In the next unit, we will be discussing about the heap performance optimization. In the assignment for this unit, you will perform GPU profiling on an application that calculates pi using the Monte Carlo method.